How to save Capcut video to gallery. Hello everyone, and today I will tell you as easy and simple to save the video to your gallery from the application Capcut. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. This method is suitable for Android and iPhone users. First, go to the application Capcut and let's say we create some project. You need to choose a couple of videos or photos and press add. Then edit the video as you need to export it to your gallery. All we need is to click on the arrow in the top right corner and then we need to click on Save to Devices. After this action it is exported to your gallery. Also, after downloading the video in the gallery, you can share in application this project. For example, in the application Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook and so on. Well, that's all. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.